Innovation distinguish between a leader and a follower. Stay hungry, stay foolish. Your time is limited, so don't waste it living someone else's life. I am convinced that about half of what separates successful entrepreneur from the non-successful one is pure perseverance. Sometimes life hits you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith. Great things in business are never done by one person. They are done by a team of people. Design is not just what it looks like and feels like. Design is how it works. It's more fun to be a parrot than to join the Navy. The only way to do great things is to love what you do. Don't let the noise of others' opinions drown out your own inner voice. Be a yardstick of quality. Some people aren't used to an environment where excellence is expected. My favorite things in life don't cost any money. It's really clear that the most precious resource we all have is time. Remembering that you are going to die is the best way I know to avoid the trap of thinking you have something to lose. We don't get a chance to do that many things, and everyone should be really excellent because this is our life. Quality is more important than quantity. One home run is much better than two doubles. You have got to start with the customer experience and work back toward the technology, not the other way around. The people who are crazy enough to think they can change the world are the ones who do. It's really hard to design product by focus groups. A lot of times people don't know what they want until you show it to them. I am as proud of many of the things we haven't done as the things we have done. Innovation is saying no to 1,000 things. My job is not to be easy on people. My job is to make them better. If you really look closely, most overnight successes take a long time. I want to put you in their notes. Deciding what not to do is as important as deciding what to do. Details matter. It's what people do. Simple can be harder than complex. You have to work hard to get your thinking I think that is the most wonderful invention of life. It breaks the system of these old models that are obsolete. Getting fired from Apple was the best thing that ever happened. It's not faith in technology, it's faith in people. We hire people who want to make the best things in the world. Let's go invent tomorrow rather than worrying about what happened yesterday. Do you want to spend the rest of your life selling sugar water, or do you want chance to change the world? Everyone here has the sense that right now is one of these moments we are influencing the future. I am proud of what you don't do, as I am what you do. If you live each day as it was your last, someday you will know something about it. We are here to put an end to the universe. Otherwise, why else will it be there? You cannot connect the dots looking forward. You can only connect them looking inwards. We are very careful about what features we add because we cannot take them away. I want to make a dent in the universe. Creativity is just connecting things. The broader one's understanding of the human experience, the better design we will have. Picasso had a saying, good artists copy, great artists steal. We have always been shameless about stealing great ideas. We don't settle for anything less than excellence. We are just enthusiastic about what we do. I believe life is an intelligent thing, that things aren't random. Sometimes life is going to hit you in the head with a brick. Don't lose faith. We had some tough times, but we have hung in there. You cannot just ask customers what they want and then try to give that to them. By the time you get it built, they will want something new. I am convinced that only thing that kept me going was that I loved what I did. You have got to find what you love. The journey is the reward. We have gambling on our universe, and we would rather do